Do you want to learn to type fast? Really fast? Do you want your typing speed to be double or triple your original speed? Well then, this is the video for you. My average typing speed is 90 words per minute, and the average typing speed around the world is 41 words per minute. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get above 85 words per minute typing speed. Let's move on. Speed versus accuracy. Your accuracy is way more important than the speed. Your accuracy should always be above 90%. Make sure, just if you're making lots of mistakes while you're typing, just slow it a bit down. Make sure accuracy is good, then focus on your speed. QWERTY keyboard. You all know that the keyboard most of us are using right now is a QWERTY keyboard. As you can see in the it's written there QWERTY. You might see a bump on the letters J and F. These are there so that you may able to adjust your fingers on the keyboard so that you can just adjust your fingers without looking at the keyboard. Don't look at the keyboard while you're typing. It is going to reduce your typing speed, and when you don't look at the keyboard, it will be best at the long run. It will be best for the long run. Always remember, when you find yourself looking at the keyboard, just don't look at the keyboard. Or you can only look when you just forget where a certain key is, then you can look at the keyboard. But otherwise, never look at the keyboard. Typing websites. There are now many typing practice websites all over the internet, but for me the best website I found was typingclub.com. You can go there and it teaches you the really important things, and you have many levels to practice on. I've completed over 600 levels and now I can type really fast. All you have to do is just sign up on that website and get going. Practice. The main element is practice. Now you got all your methods and all you have to do is just practice. When you practice for a long time, it will eventually be worth it. So at least give typing half an hour a day and you'll be good. You'll start to see improvement on your typing speed. If your typing speed is 50 or 60, you'll maybe see in a week 70. So yeah, just practice, use all these methods, and eventually you'll become a very fast typer. Let's see what we have learned. We have learned that accuracy is more important than speed, and we should have learned how to place the fingers on the keyboard, and we should never look at the keyboard, and we should go to typing websites. We can go to many typing websites. I recommend the typingclub.com, and most importantly, practice. And that's it. Hope you enjoy watching my video, and I'll see you all next time. Enjoy typing. Liking and subscribing would be fantastic.